Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Multiverse Studio. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create Magic Burst VFX using Adobe After Effects. So let's jump in and let me make a new composition of Full HD. And now I'm going to make a black solid. So in this tutorial I'm going to use a paid plugin from Red Gear, not from Red Gear. Red Gear is my mouse and Red Giant, yes. Trap code particulars, and I let me just bring the particulars here. Go to the designer tab here in the left. Search for the effect called Plasma Cloud Explosion. That's what we need for this one. So let me just first increase the opacity so that it expands with the opacity, and then it shutters and just scrambles with decreasing the opacity, something like that. See, we can change multiple aspects of the effect and make it more versatile. Now it looks something like this, and I have used another paid plugin for glow. It's from Plugin Everything. It's Deep Glow, and I just love this. This is awesome. I'm just reducing the exposure and the radius of the glow so that it matches what I want. I am going to use a hue and saturation to change the color and saturation so that it gives me some more functions to play with. And now, so look, if you increase the velocity, it will just become a very powerful whoosh like that. So if you decrease it, it will gradually increase its size and then disappear. So for that, decrease the value. Okay. That the explosion takes time to do this. So for that, increase the length of the effect. To do that, go in the particles tab in the particulars per second. So it's 4. If I make it like 5, it will change here. Okay, so it will increase the size. So then I have to increase the length of my animation. Let me just bring the value of the duration to 10 seconds. Increase the length of this black solid to 10 seconds. So here in the 6th second, it's going upwards. Okay, we will fix this one. Going to on the light random, you can change the value. Like I'm giving here 83%. In the aspect ratio, it will be 1, and in the size, let me just reduce the size to something 309.8. okay, and look at this, look at the waves it's generating now. Okay, it's too much bright, so let me just make the light random to lower value. Let me just change it to 1 or 1.43. okay, you have to change multiple values to get your desired effect. Now it looks so cool that the waves are emitting from it. Okay, so now let me just change few more values. The values that I am changing here, it's not mandatory that you have to do the same thing. It depends on your creative decisions. Okay, let me just animate these values like Y wind to, so that it stays in the middle. Perfect. Now I'm going to reduce the timeline, length of the timeline to like this. This is the guidelines. Okay, so just don't forget to just uncheck this one. And let me go to the emitter. So let me just keyframe everything, not the position subframe. I will use the position subframe as 10x smoother, and the direction will be uniform. Okay. So if I now see this, and if I just change the values like random values, it's not mandatory, and also the velocity value to like 119, it looks better. You can play with the settings as per your liking. Okay, so we have reduced the size. Now if I want to increase the particles count like 900, so make sure you have a better PC to do all this. Okay, let me just increase the size so that it looks good by making it 5. Here I will make a keyframe on the second and bring it down to base U. So now I'm going to add some sharpness, and the value of the sharpness will be 6 maybe, yeah. Or let me increase the value to something like 11. If you want to see how visually it's going on, you can click the designer once again and go inside it and see what exactly the effect look after all these changes. Whoa! So let me just apply this. Oh, it's so freaking dope. So let me again, I have to change the values like so that it stay in the center and not go anywhere else. Delete all these values of wind wide that we have created previously, also this one, and make it in center, also in center. Wow, super fantastic. So let me give you a quick summary what I have done. Particulars, I have used a deep glow effect and hue and saturation, sharpness. So this is it. I hope you like this tutorial. Please drop a like, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe me for more interesting VFX tutorials as well as free VFX. Thanks for watching and have a great day.